ABRSM Grade 1 Theory, Grouping Beats in Bars. Welcome! Today we're going to look at a common Grade 1 ABRSM theory exercise that many students find difficult, but in reality, it's all about understanding and analysing. Here's the type of question you might see. Tick one box to show which bar is grouped correctly. You'll see 3 rhythm options, and you'll need to select the one that is grouped properly according to the time signature. But before we jump straight into that exam question, let's look at a different example I've prepared, and then we'll return to solve the exercise at the end. Step 1. Understand the time signatures. First, let's look at the possible time signatures used in Grade 1 theory. These may change in higher grades, but for now, we're focusing on these. 2-4, 3-4, 4-4, or C, common time, which is the same as 4-4. If we understand how time signatures work, we're already halfway to solving the exercise. The top number tells us how many beats there are in each bar. The bottom number tells us which type of note gets 1 beat. In Grade 1, the bottom number is always 4, which means each beat is a quarter note or crotchet using ABRSM terms. So 2 crotchets per bar, 3 crotchets per bar, 4 crotchets per bar, or common time. 4 crotchets per bar. Step 2. Let's look at an example in 2-4. Here's a rhythm written in 2-4. That means there are 2 beats per bar, and each beat is 1 crotchet. When we write rhythms, we should group the notes in a way that shows the beats clearly. It should be easy to see where each beat begins and ends. Let's look at this example. You can easily see the 2 beats, separated clearly. Even in the last bar, where we use a minim or half note, both beats are joined into 1 note, and that's totally fine, since the value fits exactly into the bar. This leads us to the key rule. The beats inside a bar should be clearly separated, unless the full beat is filled by a single note with that exact value. Step 3. Let's look at an incorrect example. In the first bar, the beats are grouped well, no problem. But in the second bar, some notes from beat 1 are connected to notes from beat 2. That's confusing. In the third bar, the notes from both beats are joined together. It's not clear where the first beat ends and the second begins. And in the last bar, there's a strange separation. The last 3 notes should be grouped together since they all belong to the same beat. This is what we want to avoid, confusing groupings that make it hard to read or perform the rhythm. Step 4. Let's now look at the ABRSM style exercise. Here are the 3 options given in the real style question. Let's analyse them one by one. Option 1. I can clearly see all 4 beats. Each one has the correct note value and is grouped clearly. This looks great. Option 2. There are problems. Let's break it down. Beat 1 and a part of beat 2 are connected. Beat 4 especially has a break in the middle that shouldn't be there. Option 3. The first 2 beats are connected, which makes it hard to read. Beat 3 is fine, but beat 4 also has an unnecessary separation between the notes. So the only one that is clearly grouped and easy to read is option 1. Now let's go back to the example we started with. We're asked to choose the bar that is grouped correctly. In option 1, there's an unnecessary break between beats 2 and 3, and they're connected without a reason. In option 2, part of beat 2 is joined to beat 3, which causes confusion. In option 3, I can clearly see all 3 beats, and each one is a single crotchet. Perfect grouping. So the correct answer is option 3. And that's how you solve this type of Grade 1 theory exercise. I hope this helped make things clearer. If you'd like more lessons like this, check out our complete online theory courses, available from anywhere in the world.